Even in a badness, if everybody is bad, who you the bad up? The man who take bad up play a vital role in a badness same way. A chat about calling. A whole heap of man left KC and run behind artists for KFC. No, yo. Put on them good qualification. No man, no fool. Because this is how them say. This is how I get praised. This is how we act. And some of them are going to end up a par with artists are coming from show. And end up in the artist yard and sleep and bike till them 50.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. Twins of Twins release Stir It Up Volume 11.5. And me I tell you say yo that one you bad. It also motivational. You know what I mean? It open your eyes to certain things we are going around us. I mean certain mistake what we are doing in our everyday life. Probably we don't realize. You see me? Twins of Twins them just sum it up and put it out. You know for them we already yo. You can't listen and stir it up and don't laugh. You see me? So you see that one here? You have to prepare for laughing at it. Yo, it just bad. And we are going to talk about it right now. You see me? We are going to review it. And people, at the end of this video, me are going to tell you how you can win 2 copies of Stir It Up Volume 11. Because you know we do it on the Chaddy channel already. We always support the music, support the artists, them and them craft. So I want to give the same energy to Twins of Twins. Because as I say, I really love that one. I really like that one. You see me? So check out a word from our sponsors. You know what I mean? Double F3.
Up with the money, I go down in a hole. Check some man a stay in the ghetto and get all you.
Fingerprint man a left in a road. When belly empty sitting else a figure low.
Up with the money, I go down in a grave. Coulda live a Scotia bank in life, still now go see a you.
Fingerprint man a left in a street. Boss a give me 2 grand like me picnic no eat.
People, make sure you lock in the date for the party today. You know what I mean? It's gonna be epic, it's gonna be mad. Double F3, that's the 14th of October, that is. And you know say you can come party with Chaddy Murray, cause him a go dead on spot. Anyway, still, Twins of Twins, John Star on a deal with the thing away. So people, let me refresh on the memory for one in the last Stir It Up. So in the last Stir It Up, you have a character named Bing the Roy. You know what I mean? Him and Big Wayne, a family. But it's like Big Wayne, him in bad mind. You see it? In bad mind. Yeah, bad mind. Bad. In bad mind, him own a family. Till in the last, him end up kill Bingy Rai because Bingy Rai try elevate himself out of the ghetto. Him start a little banana chips business, which him tell Big Wayne say forward, make a partnership and do the banana chips business. And Big Wayne laugh off him and all drag gun off him. You see me? And it'll show you some things we are going in a nowadays society. Some things we are going in a Jamaican society. And not just Jamaican society, but the world. You know what I mean? So in the last Stir It Up, Big Wayne and him soldier them, they kill Bingy Rai. And me I tell you say yo, them a family. Them a one blood like Junior Reid. And the man kill him just because of bad mind. So it's like Big Wayne, they page Bingy Rai and say, Bingy, you know say it think kinda stick away, you know. You know say me I gonna need you to buy some strap. And the man say yo, him nah buy no strap. Fi lock the ends. Him no gun thing, a righteous thing man a deal with. And that thing kill him for him own family. You see me? And the part that it kinda touch me away. And this how me like with the new Stir It Up them we I make. Even the way it very, yo, you laugh till you're weak. It very, me don't want to say funny, me I try to use another word. I think comedic are the right word for it. But, yo, them bad and still a teacher a lesson. Still a teacher say, yo, you know say, you know to trust people. Still a teacher say, you need to elevate yourself and try get yourself out of the so-called ghetto. You see me? Why? May I tell you, people, you know watch it. Because if you don't watch the last Stir It Up, you not really can follow and understand what I'm going right now. So in this Stir It Up, that are 11.5, Big Wayne, I try frame a next man for him cousin murder. You see me? That a Bingy Rai, you know, and I him kill off Bingy Rai because of bad mind. But him still I try frame a next man, you see me? And then bring in a new character in it, a Bala Shan, the Umbre name. And we finally get to hear and know who is Mosquito Try. Remember, man, them a say, yo, Mosquito Try are some hot blood man. But, yo, you see Big Wayne a liar, cause nothing like that. You see me? Mosquito Try them. Even though them are done, the character we ma portray a cool youth. I dance still, you see me, and a gangster, but a cool youth. Mosquito try them, yeah man. You see me? But yo, may I tell you man, you see Big Wayne is a definition what me should I say now? It's not a reflection of the society. Yeah, Big Wayne are the reflection of society. Big Wayne a reflection of poverty. Him a reflection of bad mind. Him a big reflection of bad mind. Grudgeful, wicked. Yo, me a wait for the part in the stereotype where Big Wayne get copper in my head. Me a wonder if that go on, cause Big Wayne fi dead, you know. Big Wayne fi dead because the man kill him cousin and I try set up him friend for some enemy where him did have. You see me? Me I tell you people, it bad. Yo, Mode of Mine, Twins of Twins go so booms and make turn it in our movie because the script from both the previous stereotype and this stereotype it bad and me see one movie can make out of this. You see me? That's why me I try support it that way. Me I be the bigger person and say yo, you know say me I go actually buy them people a CD and give it up on my channel. Because me I watch it free now, me I watch it on YouTube. But me I buy it for me or me should say me I buy it for someone else. You see me? Me just want to donate to them. You see me? I years them I do them work and quite frankly still me never want to talk loud but me never really buy them CD yet. Me always burn it. You see me? But I try support the thing. I go deal with them and them I try put something positive in the thing. Put something where you can listen to. I mean, a whole heap of bad word in there, so not everybody I go listen to it. But if your stomach can't take the bad word, them feel like listen through the bad word. I mean, go for it. Move the mind, the whole world listen to it. Whether you are Christian, whether you are Hurlian or Rastafari, you see me? Because as what I say, I find it more teaching than actual comedy. You see me? So, great job, Twins of Twins. I did half a forward on my platform and talk about it. You know what I mean? So, go check it out. Me I go put the link in the description. And me I go put the link you have to win the 2 copy. A CD them? No, I know, and a CD. But anyhow, me I go put the link in the description of how you are going to win the Stereotype Volume 11.5. You know what I mean? And support them, you know what I mean? If you win and you can support them same way, I mean, you support, you see me? A strength for the music and strength for the business and you're going to support them too, you see me? I go deal with them. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and speaking of support, make sure say you support the party at 3 because me I tell you say it I go mad, but don't take my word for it. Don't make when me go the party, you know. I have my nice time and take my picture them and post up on my timeline. Yeah, I said, Chaddy, you could carry me go 3. No, you can't go. No matter where you live, if you live at Kingston, them I go have shuttle bus and all these things. You know what I mean? So, me tell you, 3 are going to be the hot party. Hot party. You know what I mean? It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And if you haven't already subscribed, where you wait pan? Hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you're going to be the first to know. You can follow me on IG as well. Yeah, me up on IG. So follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, remember to look in at the description to know how you're going to win the Stereotype 11.5. And please subscribe. I'm almost at my first objective, my first goal. 1,000 subscribers, I say. I'm out.
The people them post every bumbuckler thing on social media. Right now, the whole family they on a 3-week cruise. That me I tell you. Last time I checked them profile them there Trinidad, Friday and Grenada. Be a place for next 2 weeks after that, you that me I tell you. I go the boy them go live, you know, when the family are going and you that me I tell you them not check them background, you know. No check. No, brother. And that me I tell you cause some me get for see. And some me get for see so them not even have no grill, you know you. Up with the money go down in a hole. Text them man a stay in the ghetto and get all you.
Fingerprint man a left in a road. When belly empty sitting else I figure low.
Up with the money go down in a grave. Coulda live a Scotia bank life still now go see idiot.
Fingerprint man I left in high street. Boss I give me 2 grand like me picnic no eat.